H, 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 look at me. I'm the eighth letter, can't you see? Big H, small h, fun and bright. Let's learn the letter H tonight.
H is for hat, wear it proud. H is for horse, running loud. H is for house, big and tall. Letter H is fun for all.
Write big H, 2 lines and 1. Write small h, learning is fun. Practice H every day. You will learn the letter H.
H, H, H. H, H, H. H, H, H.
You will learn the letter H. You will learn the letter H.